Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV in just few easy steps. Let's dive right in. First, open YouTube and go to the upper right corner and click your profile icon. Next, click on settings from the drop down menu. Once you're in settings, you'll be directed to membership page. Now, if you only have the base plan like me, that's what you'll see here. But if you have the NFL Sunday Ticket, you will notice a manage button on the right side instead of an add button. Click on that manage button. This will take you to options for your NFL Sunday Ticket. Now look for cancel option. It should be on the right side just like this. Click cancel and YouTube TV will ask you for a reason for cancellation. If you don't feel like explaining, just click other and type something simple. For example, not needed anymore, then hit continue canceling. You'll likely get one last confirmation, so go ahead and confirm it. And that's it. Your NFL Sunday Ticket membership will be officially cancelled. Hopefully, this quick guide helped you a lot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and for more tech tips and tutorials. Catch you in the next one.